What's up, y'all? Welcome back. My name is Ruthie, and this is Unique Nails by Ruthie, and thank you for checking out my channel. So I got a Enailcouture $20 scoop. I got two of them. I just got it today. I ordered it on New Year's, and it came today. I'm excited. I have been seeing several videos. Some are hits and some are misses. So we are going to see if I got a hit or a miss. This box is a decent size. So I'm going to move it to the side because my desk is not that big. And we're going to unbox it and see what all goodies I got in here. So it's a box inside of a bag. Hopefully I'm not opening this upside down because I'm going to be mad. Let's see. Let's see what we got. I know there's a few things that I had seen from other boxes that I really wanted. It was I seen somebody got a hand, and I'm like, I need a hand. Please, Max, give me a hand. But I did order my box later. So we'll see what I got. It's my packing slip. Two scoops. And you know it comes with the tips. So first things first, we have the beige almond tips. The mini stilettos. And I'm actually excited that I got tips because I plan on making press-ons. This is the frozen coffin. These look like long tips. My second bag, frozen coffin. I know it's gonna be duplicates, and that's cool. The 24-karat magic. Got these. So far I got 5 bags. These are double XL dazzling beige coffin. I don't know how many had the dazzling beige. I remember hearing that name, but not the double X dazzling beige. 6. Another 24 karat. This is internal beige almond. So second one of those. Oops. 3 bags of 24 karat magic. Princess pink almond. These are cute. I wanted the pipe ones. I wonder if I got some pipe ones. This is brown. because I hadn't seen pipe tips before, so I was like, ooh, hopefully I can get some pipe tips. Frozen almond. So that is my third bag of those, which is cool. Sugar glitter pink almond. These bags dusty though. Oval. I actually have a couple clients who like oval press-on, so this is gonna work. Got a couple more. Couple more. What is this? I think this is the double XL frozen. The sticker fell off though, but that's what these look like. The double XL frozen. Is this coffin? Yep, coffin. Dazzling beige almond. And another frozen coffin. Got that. So like I said, my desk is little, so I'm gonna have to unpack, move stuff, put it somewhere else. Unpack, move. I have another box over here, so I'm gonna put all my nails in the box. So we're gonna do the foils next, because that's right at the top. Ooh, these is cute. Got these foils. Ooh, these look, I hope I get some lace ones. These kind of like lace butterflies. Wait a minute now. Let me put it back. Let me put it back. See, stop touching stuff. All right. So these is cute. Oh, these hollows is cute. It's like a hollow lace. I don't have a transfer gel that works. My kids are home, so you're gonna hear them. Ooh, cartoon. I like these. Ooh, I like these. Valentine's is coming up too. They're like in there. There we go. This one's like a pop art. Ooh. Some more foils, butterfly foils. So far we got 5 foils. Was these the lace ones? Yep, the gold lace ones. I seen some like royal sets when I was on Facebook earlier. Perfect for them. Another flower. Looks like different flowers, hearts, some butterflies. What is these? Oh, I like these. I made these hand drawn, like the bandana. This is cute. When I tell you they were so tedious, oh my goodness. Every little dot, every little line took forever. Ooh, another lace. This one is silver. This is a duplicate. I got this one. Another one. So in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 12 foils in total. I got some bubble gum gel. This is pink bubble gum gel. These are open. So 2 pinks bubble gum gel and 2 clear bubble gum gel. I'm gonna have to look on his YouTube to see how to use it because I'm not entirely sure. I never used his bubble gum gel before. I have some glitters, 6-pack. Can never go wrong with glitter, even though I hate glitter. But I use it though. My candy dish. The metal one. And I know I got like a little, oh, what is that? I don't know what that dusty stuff is. Got that. Then I do have a plastic one. Oh, wait, something in here now. Hold on. Oh, we got files. What files we got? 100, 150. So 2 150s and 2 100 grit files. That's cool. Those always come in handy. Shaped right. I got another glitter. And then I have some 1, 2, 3 golds. These pink chromes is cute. Ooh, I like this one too. So I got 2 of each, 4 in total. Oh, my thing broke. And then I got 4 gels. Well, it broke though. Well, that kind of sucks. This is ombre gel. And the number is B223. Oh, it's a pink glitter. This one is B224. I have to glue the top back on. A silver glitter. This is Milky Shine Top Coat. I think I can use this to do milk bath nails. And this is Shiny Star Top Coat. You think it's yellow? Let's see. Nope. It's like a goldish brown. It's cute though. And y'all, I try to put everything in this little bitty camera because I'm using my phone. But that's everything that I got in my scoops. I'm not gonna be able to fit this all in one shot. I had to take a picture of everything and post it. But that's it, you guys. So thank you for watching. Again, I'm Ruthie, and this is Unique Nails by Ruthie. I will see y'all in the next one.